Hey, welcome to the Z-CoiL Influencer Program. I'm Lindley, the Director of Marketing and Sales. I'm going to show you around your dashboard so you can see how to make commission on the sales that you make. So basically, once you apply to become an influencer, you're going to go ahead and log in here. It's going to take you to the Social Snowball login. You are going to log in. And then you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So what this is going to show you is how many times people have used your link, and it's also going to show you the commission that you've made. And from the customer's experience, it kind of looks like this. So I'm an influencer. Here's my link. I'm going to copy that link. This is actually not a code. This is not a one-time use code that they always use. They actually have to use the whole link in order to claim that discount. So it's going to look like this. So they're going to go to your referral link in a tab. And they're going to start shopping, and it's going to take a second here, but your discount is going to pop up for them. And it should look something like this. Lindley sent you 15% off redeemed coupon. So they're going to grab that coupon, copy it, and it's actually already going to be applied to their discount. To their checkout, the discount. So basically they'll come in, they're going to grab a shoe, they're going to add it to a cart. You can see the discount is already displaying there, minus $39, which is actually the same $39 that you'll make on this order. So when they go to check out, let's see if I can't actually do a dummy checkout here. Let's do shop. Oh, it's going to make me log in. I'm not going to go through the whole checkout process, but basically what's going to happen is once they check out, this $39 is going to bounce into here as your revenue that you made on that order. Now, it's actually not going to be available to you until 30 days have passed, just to ensure that you're not you, but random people aren't abusing it, right? Like, so you're not making revenue on returned items. So once the 30-day return window has passed, you'll be able to come in to here and check out in the form of a Venmo or a bank transfer, a gift card. But basically, that's how it works. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.